session, so the sun's going down a bit. So hopefully we're on the top water bite. And yeah, hopefully at the spot, grab these kayaks off the roof, and then thinking we'll head down to the left side of the creek, because I mean, it doesn't really matter, both sides are good, but this side tends to have a little bit more light than the other, so you can probably hear the cicadas, like you probably hear them over me. So we'll go down that way after, but thinking we'll go this way first and just try under the trees, and then we'll turn around, go down the rapids down there and go that way. So this is what Dean's got for today, just a little chase bait cicada and a micro pompadour. I've got pretty much something similar. I've got a few cicadas to choose from, so I'll get these kites off the car and get going. So right now the kookaburras are laughing, which makes sense because we just got set up, got ready to go out in the water and realised we left the paddles at home. So got to make a 30-minute venture back home and get the paddles. So yeah, that didn't go to plan. Always forget something, but bit embarrassing. But anyway, we'll go back and get them. Alright, so about an hour later, we finally got the paddles. Just enjoying a bit of lunch too. So after that little mission to get back, we've lost a bit of time, but it's alright. So we'll just go a little bit later into the afternoon, but cicadas are still singing, so hopefully we still got a good chance. Bro, this wind is crazy. Oh, yes. Yeah, oh. He missed it. Saw that. Filming that too. Oh, had a nice hit there, but he didn't even, my line didn't even go tight, so he's gone for it, but he missed it completely. There you go, just cast it under that tree, and I got the first little one. He feels only little. Oh, he's going now. Yeah, it's only little. Oh, he's tiny. Wait, Dean, he's tiny. There you go, first little bass. Oh yeah, I just casted it right under here, and I looked over at Dean for 1 second. I just heard him smash it. So there we go, first little one this afternoon session. It's not too bad. So yeah, look at that, just straight in the middle of that cicada. You can see he'd been swimming, the cicada would have been straight on the water and he would have came up like that, bang, straight for it. So I'll quickly get him off. And yeah, there we go, number one for the day. So all I'm doing with these is just cast them out, let them sit there for a second, and give them like just a few little buzzes on the water. Because like when the cicada falls in the water, it sits there and it goes like buzz buzz, trying to get up and fly away, but can't. So that's what I'm trying to just copy. And now after you've done a few of them little movements, I just slow roll it. And then just give it a pause. Often right then is when the bass will hit, or right at the start. But it's pretty simple. I just basically use that same method with any cicada lures, mainly just any topwater lures to be honest, but that's what I found works best with them. So I did bring a few cicada lures with me. So I'm thinking I caught a bass on that, it's changed up a bit, so I'm going to go for this little Savage Gear black one. This one's more of like a hard shelled one, but I haven't caught a bass on this yet, so just thought may as well swap over and just try something new. Alright, there we go. Oh, saw that! That was huge! Did you lose it? No, Dino! I saw that all the way from here. Wow, guys. Wow. I'll zoom in when I actually edit this video, but I saw that splash from here. That was huge. And Dean's just lost him. Oh, he's not going to be happy. Not happy at all. Alright, so we're kind of at the turning point for this side of the creek for this afternoon. So we're just going to paddle back and have a flick at a few spots on the way back maybe. But over the other side of the creek is where I really think it will just start going off, because it's a lot skinnier, a lot narrower. You know, there's bigger fish we've caught in there, or well, you know, a lot more structure too. So I reckon over that side is where it's all going to go down. Yeah, I just got smoked under this tree. This one's good. Oh, it feels pretty good anyway. Look at that. Look at that 8. Oh, I missed him. No, he spat it! Oh, I let my line go slack for 1 second and he spat it. No. No. I just casted straight under this tree and he just smacked it and I wasn't filming. And then he bricked me and I got it out. So that just goes to show why you should just be more patient. Let the fish tire out a bit. And I just got too excited because I thought I was going to get bricked again and just wanted to get him in the net. And just shot myself in the foot there. So I should always be patient, especially with these fish. They have so much energy. I'm a little bit bummed out about that, but I mean, it was a good one. It was a good bite, good hit, good fight, everything. Just got to get another one and not just go straight with the net next time. Hold on, bruh. Wash my glasses. Glasses? How pretty is this spot? part of the creek is usually Dean's. Okay, like I was saying, this part of the creek is usually Dean's lucky part, so he really wants to catch bass today. So hopefully we can do that. I reckon he can. I said it, I was like, this is Dino's spot. If he's going to catch a bass, it'll be down here. There you go, on the pompadour.
Nice little bass.
You're on the board.
Yep.
Finally. Dean just got absolutely smoked and then bricked. You right? Nice, Dean. Wow, he smoked you. We're actually just having a chat about where we're gonna head next. Dean cast right in his Lamandra and just got whacked. Like, here we got a big hit on that one.
I needed to cut my drag.
And then Dean got,
yeah,
and then he got bricked straight away. So there you go, number 2 for Dino. He's officially beaten me because I dropped my other one.
It's got this nice little bass on the jackal squirrel.
Pompadour.
Yeah. So this nice, tiny, fat, healthy bass on the jackal pompadour, the micro. The micro catches the micro bass, but yep.
Still good. Dino's officially beating me right now.
That's him there. Hooks out and get him back.
Dean plucked another one. I wasn't even filming again. It's tiny. He's casting straight in there.
Just a nice little bass.
Alright, well Dean and I are just gonna paddle back and fish back a little bit towards the car. Yeah. And I think that's gonna be probably the end. So we'll just meet you at the car, or if we get a fish, you'll see that too. Alright, so we just drag the kayaks up to the car, and it's a good little sesh. Got a few, so it's pretty good for just having one rod each and one type of lure each. Don't do that often. Usually we got lots of rods and lots of lures. So it's a good little challenge. Turned out pretty good. Paid off. But no, super good session. But yeah, we're just gonna put the kayaks back on the car and head back out home.